talk about the kind of tools that are out there, and the best sort of motif I can think of to motivate this discussion is this little donut, if you will, that illustrates the e-learning design process. A good place to start is below the horizontal line, where you have process elements like screen capture, image editing, audio recording, video recording. These are the various things you do to create the multimedia assets. And then you go on to creating special artifacts such as avatars or simulations or quizzes. You go ahead and build interactive elements, so these could be rollover diagrams or scenarios or what have you. And then you have content authoring and integration, where you put it all together, and finally you put it up on a learning management system and test how it is working. Now, we all understand that our e-learning processes have to adapt to our customer needs as well as the kind of e-learning we are creating. So I'm not suggesting this is the only way to build e-learning, but I'm simply saying that this is a good sort of metaphor to start our discussion, and then say, what kind of tools would you use to accomplish the various steps in the e-learning design process. And interestingly, and not surprisingly, the e-learning tool categories actually mimic and mirror what you see on the process side. So you have the screen capture tools, image editing tools, audio recording tools, video recording tools, specialty tools, interactivity tools, authoring tools, and the learning management systems. What are some of the well-known tools here? And we have some examples. I will concentrate on the tools above the horizontal line. Starting to the right, you have CodeBaby for building avatars, Firefly that lets you create simulations, Question Mark, a great tool for building quizzes, Captivate again for building simulations, Raptivity, Proform, and Engage, tools that help you build interactivity, and then a variety of authoring tools including Lectura, Elicitus, Adobe Presenter, Articulate, and Snap. And as you go down the list, you kind of start looking at more and more lightweight tools, some of them simply helping you convert PowerPoint to e-learning. Now, all these tools cost money, and then depending on your budgets, you may sometimes want to look for free tools, and there's no problem. There's a variety of free tools here, and I have a slide here for you that would show you a bunch of different tools that are completely freely available online. For example, you can use Woki to build avatars. You could use Course Labs to build online courses. Now, obviously, these tools have limited features, and they may not give you everything that you get in paid tools, but depending on your needs, maybe a good idea to make a combination of free and paid tools to put together a toolbox that is a winner for you. Now, the important point